Did you know that 53% of marketers invest over half of their budget in lead generation? This shows just how important it is to find effective ways to generate leads. Here are 5 ways you can generate leads online. Number 1, create valuable content. Creating blogs, videos, ebooks, and more is vital for boosting brand awareness and providing valuable insights. When choosing content, consider your company goals and ensure that each piece smoothly fits into the buyer's journey. Number 2, use your network of current customers. Turn existing customers into a source for finding new ones. Use referrals for lead generation with rewards, codes, coupons, and social media tags. Number 3, utilize live chat features on your website. Chatbots begin conversations with a quick question when you visit a page. They gather info, link you with sales rep, and use surveys afterwards to learn more and see how well that chat went. Number 4, use PPC ads. Pay-per-click ad visitors are 50% more likely to purchase than those from organic search. These effectively attract qualified search traffic based on demographics, interests, and even intentions. Number 5, use social media. 77% of social media marketers say these platforms are effective for lead generation. Clearly outline goals in your strategy and then regularly track results for continuous improvement with every campaign. Learn more about generating leads online at impactmybiz.com.